Hello friends, myself Sunita Kunia. I am working as assistant professor in Vianney International Institute of Engineering and Technology. I welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I have delivered a lecture on differential amplifier, which is the differential amplifier. It is the topic of linear integrated circuits. Differential amplifier, basically differential amplifier is so they amplify the difference between the two input signals. Differential amplifier is basically the parallel combination of two BJTs. In this transistor, the input is both of the transistors is equal, and the VCC and V also magnitude of the VCC and V also equal, and the emitter resistance and collector resistance also equals. Differential amplifier is basically divided into four parts: dual input balanced output differential amplifier, dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier, single input balanced output differential amplifier, and single input unbalanced output differential amplifier. In dual input balanced output differential amplifier, we are applying both of the input signals and output is taken from the both of the collectors. That type of differential amplifier is called dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Second one is dual input unbalanced output amplifier, differential amplifier. In this type of amplifier, inputs are applied between two transistors and output is taken only from the one transistor and other transistor is connected to ground. That type of differential amplifier is called dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier. Third one is single input balanced output differential amplifier. In that type of differential amplifier, input is applied only one transistor and output is taken both of the transistor. That type of differential amplifier is called single input balanced output differential amplifier. Last and fourth one is single input unbalanced output differential amplifier. In this type of amplifier, input is applied only one transistor and output is also taken only from the one transistor. That type of differential amplifier is called single input unbalanced output differential amplifier. To analyze the differential amplifier, we use the DC analysis and AC analysis. DC analysis is used to calculate the operating point and the AC analysis is used to calculate the voltage gain, input resistance and output resistance. Thank you and thank you for watching this video. For more detail, please visit our website www.gurukpo.com.